What's going on YouTube, Geosn right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Pogo in order to spoof your GPS location, change your GPS location on iOS or Android, and of course you can use this for a variety of applications, including for games and of course social media applications, dating apps, for navigation or even real-time tracking. So if you want to play those games that require you to move, but you can't because of the weather or because of any physical conditions that may prevent you from doing so, you can use this application to essentially simulate moving so that you can still play those games. Of course, you can use it also for social media applications, for privacy reasons, and even on dating applications. So the program is available for both Windows and macOS, and it supports both Android and iOS. It does support the latest iOS 26. So let's see it in action. So right here I have my device and it's currently showing my real location. If you tap in here, you can see exactly your location. And yes, this is where it shows I am. And this is the Pogo program. Once you have it installed, it looks like this. You can read the disclaimer over here, and of course you can just click start, and it asks you if you have iOS or Android, and of course I'm gonna go with iOS, and it gives you the option to connect to your iPhone via USB or even with Wi-Fi on iOS 26.4 and newer. So I'm gonna go with this one over here, and there are two modes available, the Pro mode and of course the General mode. General mode says in here connect with Wi-Fi or USB, applicable to most LBS social, dating and game software, Go Catcher, Auto Catch and Spin, that's for Pokemon Go. And then you have the Pro mode over here, which connects via Bluetooth, and it's spoofed safely with the original Pogo and MHN, applicable to all LBS and social dating and gaming software. So I'm gonna go with General mode for now. It will connect to my device, and as you can see over here, we get the map with our current location, and then we can use this program essentially to go ahead and change the location to anywhere else. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the location to somewhere in the United States. Let's go ahead over here into, let's say, Kansas. So I'm gonna go ahead in Kansas, click go over there, and it will immediately teleport. As you can see, it disappeared here on the phone, and if I click to show my current location, here I am. I'm gonna zoom out, and I am now in Kansas. And yes, I am right here in Kansas. So you can also, of course, move. There are multiple options over here. For example, right now it just teleports you wherever you want, like here, and it goes where you want it. But there is also the option to create a path from one point to another, A to B, and here you can control the speed. Let me increase the speed a little bit, which I'm gonna set it by car, but normally you wouldn't do that in gaming and so on. And I want to get from here where I am into Colby. So I'm gonna go in here, click go, and of course it's gonna follow the ABA. I'm gonna press go over here. And at this point, the application will simulate my device basically going to that direction, and you can actually see right here on my map on the device it is actually moving. It's simulating being moved. And if this works in Apple Maps, of course it works in any other application that would require location services, because this is spoofing the GPS location. So that's how it works for now. You can also have multiple points, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to use the multi-point one. You click in here and you basically select where you want to go. Let's say I'm gonna start from here and then go here and then here and then here and loop back over here. So I have created a couple of points, a couple of stops, and I'm just gonna, of course, adjust the speed and then click go. And now it will follow that exact path. It will start from here and it will follow the exact path we've set with the speed that we've set. And the device does believe that we're actually moving. You can see over here, it's really moving towards that destination. And of course, right now you could be in a game or anything and it will simulate the same location even on a game. And you can pause it if you don't need it anymore, and so on. So this is actually useful, but you can also search for coordinates or a location. Let's say I want to go back to Milano. I can just write Milano over here and I can select it, and there we go. We can put the marker right here, click go, and we're back into Milano. You can see over here, there we go. So it instantly changes your location, and there are multiple Pokemon related features available as well, like the auto catcher, and you can also disable the timer over here if you want to. So this is pretty useful. You can mark locations, add them to your favorite and so on. So let's say I have this location over here. I can go ahead and click over here the star and save it to my favorite. Same with here, same with this one over here, same with this one over here. And if I go here on my favorites now, I have a list of locations or coordinates, which I can simply go to them instantly and it will teleport me there, which is pretty neat. So yeah, that's basically how you use it. The application is very simple to use and you can change very easily the location on your device and it works instantly. It teleports you instantly, but it can also follow the paths that you set and at the speed that you want. You can of course adjust it to better match a normal speed. Like if you're playing a game, you would want to have a normal speed, so basically like walking. And you can also activate the realistic mode. Let me show you. There's the realistic mode over here, which will essentially allow you to vary the speed, because a person wouldn't always walk at the same speed. They may vary, they may go faster or slower, and this toggle over here essentially allows you to do just that. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can use the Mockpogo application in order to spoof the location on your device. It supports iOS 26, it also supports iOS 18 and other iOS versions, but it also supports Android as far as Android 16, and you don't even need a jailbreak or root or anything. And there is also no cracked application involved in here. This works with the normal official applications from the App Store. Definitely check out the program down below. A free download is available on the website, so definitely get it. And thank you for watching. I'm GS Now. Peace out.